Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Wildland Firefighter gear is probably one of the most critical investments a professional can make, as it directly impacts their safety and effectiveness when battling unpredictable and dangerous blazes across vast terrains, demanding specialized equipment that can withstand extreme heat, abrasion, and provide essential protection without hindering mobility or comfort during prolonged, high-stress operations. Number 5. JUKMO Tactical Belt. Introducing the JUKMO Tactical Belt, designed for durability and performance. Whether you're hiking, working, or facing any challenge, this belt is built to last. Crafted from robust 1.5-inch nylon webbing, it offers exceptional strength and comfort. Its military-grade construction ensures reliability in demanding situations. Experience the convenience of the heavy-duty quick-release buckle. It provides a secure fit that's easy to adjust and detach when needed. This rigger belt is perfect for a variety of activities, from outdoor adventures to everyday work. Trust it to keep your gear secure and accessible. Choose the JUKMO Tactical Belt for unparalleled support and functionality. It's the essential accessory for anyone who demands the best in their gear. What we like. This belt offers exceptional strength and durability for demanding tasks. Its quick-release buckle ensures fast and easy adjustments. If you need a reliable belt for rigorous outdoor activities or work, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The 3.8 cm nylon webbing feels incredibly robust and durable, yet remains flexible enough for comfortable all-day wear. The heavy-duty quick-release buckle is a game-changer. It's incredibly secure, so I never have to worry about it unexpectedly coming undone, but also super easy and fast to operate with just one hand. The stitching is flawless, and it just feels like a belt that's built to last for years. It holds my tools and gear securely without sagging, which is crucial for any work or outdoor activity. Number 4. Hero Wipes Body Wipes 48 CT. Introducing Hero Wipes, the ultimate solution for post-duty cleansing. Designed for those who face the toughest environments, these wipes offer unparalleled cleaning power. Our extra-thick and durable wipes are engineered to remove 98% of carcinogens, ash, soot, smoke, and toxins. They provide a thorough clean when you need it most. Each wipe measures a generous 10 by 9 inches, ensuring complete coverage. Their robust construction means they won't tear or fall apart during use. Packaged conveniently with 48 wipes per container, they are perfect for your locker or gear bag. Take them anywhere for a quick and effective cleanup. Specifically formulated for firefighters, these wet wipes are an essential part of your post-fire routine. Ensure your skin is clean and free from harmful contaminants. Choose Hero Wipes for a superior clean that protects your health. Experience the difference in quality and effectiveness with every use. What we like. These wipes are designed to effectively remove harmful contaminants from your skin. They are extra thick and generously sized for thorough cleaning. If you're exposed to ash, soot, or smoke and need to quickly decontaminate, these are perfect for you. What people say. Each towelette is larger than one would expect, but it's nice because it's like having an actually solid washcloth in those times you need one. The towelettes are large and thick, which makes it nice to actually rub down your hands, arms, face, whatever you need to wipe down. I was introduced to this product in a class from someone who shared her wipes with me and was so impressed with the size, strength, and pleasant scent that I ordered a few packs as soon as I returned home. I use them for my face and hands, feeling confident that the lead is being safely removed. Great size wipes, don't go on many runs, have had for a year, still wet. Number 3. Multi-Purpose Webbing Kit, Firefighter Rescue Tool. Introducing a versatile personal webbing system designed for various fireground applications. It's convenient, compact, and ready for action. Crafted from military-grade canvas, this system ensures durability. It features a passive retention snap and cinch string for quick and easy repacking. Our mil-spec webbing system has been rigorously lab-tested to withstand 3,200 pounds of linear force. You can trust its strength in critical situations. Designed with a 7-inch loop handle, it allows for easy insertion of gloved hands. This ensures quick and efficient deployment when you need it most. Equipped with a dual-action, high-grade Kong Tango carabiner, it provides secure and reliable attachment. This essential feature enhances safety and performance. What we like. This webbing kit is a versatile and compact solution for various fireground applications. It features mil-spec webbing for superior strength and a loop designed for easy use with gloves. If you require a reliable and accessible tool system for emergency situations, this is a great option. What people say. The gear is designed with reinforced stitching in high-stress areas, ensuring durability during demanding fieldwork. Features like adjustable suspenders and a quick-release buckle system allow for a customized and secure fit, enhancing comfort and mobility. The fabric is breathable and moisture-wicking, which helps regulate body temperature and prevents overheating in extreme conditions. Number 2. Wildland Fire Rescue Department Firefighter T-shirt. Show your support for our brave wildland firefighters with this comfortable and durable T-shirt. It's perfect for everyday wear or as a gift for the hero in your life. This T-shirt is designed with the dedicated men and women of the Wildland Fire Rescue Department in mind. Wear it with pride and honor their commitment. Crafted from premium materials, this shirt offers exceptional comfort and longevity. It's a great way to stay cool while showing your appreciation. Every purchase helps support the vital work of our wildland firefighters. Let them know you stand with them by wearing this meaningful apparel. Not only is this T-shirt built to last, but it also features a classic design that looks great on anyone. It's a versatile addition to any wardrobe. This shirt is more than just clothing, it's a symbol of gratitude for the selfless service of our firefighters. Wear it as a token of your respect. What we like. This T-shirt provides a comfortable and professional appearance for uniform wear. Its breathable material ensures comfort during long shifts. If you're looking for a standard, comfortable uniform top that maintains a professional look, this is a solid choice. What people say. Great design, great picture, and perfect fit. Fits well. Number 1. Wildland Firefighter CTR Case. Introducing a rugged notebook cover designed specifically for wildland firefighters. It's built to withstand extreme field use, ensuring your essential logs are protected. This compact case is perfectly sized to hold your emergency equipment shift ticket book and crew time report handbook. Keep your critical documentation organized and accessible. It features a versatile front pocket with elastic loops for pens and markers, plus space for your phone or calculator. A secure zippered pocket on the back offers additional storage. Inside, you'll find a durable backing that provides a stable surface for writing, even in the field. This ensures clear and easy note-taking on every ticket. Constructed from high-strength 500D Cordura nylon, this cover is exceptionally durable and resistant to abrasion and tears. It's made to last through years of demanding use. It features a secure zipper closure with a sturdy pull, ideal for use with gloves. Crafted in the USA with military-spec materials, it measures 9 by 5.5 inches when closed. What we like. This notebook cover is built for extreme toughness and field use. It features a secure zippered closure and integrated writing support. If you need a rugged and organized way to protect your essential logs and notes in harsh conditions, this case is ideal. What people say. As an engine boss trainee, this thing works flawlessly. Great case for wildland folks. It fits a standard CTR well, although the plastic that protects the unused sheets doesn't line up exactly. But it's still far better than no cover, and you'll always have your blue ballpoint handy to keep the finance people happy. This CTR pouch is extremely well built and put together. If you're a full-time seasonal guy/gal, you want this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.